We're often asked about the operational costs of Organica's FCRs. The overall operational expense of an FCR is typically less than other activated sludge systems, primarily due to reductions in both energy requirements and sludge production. Our solution relies more on fixed film cultures and less on suspended cultures. It operates with lower suspended solids levels, and the water in the reactor is cleaner. Oxygen transfer into cleaner water is more efficient, so less air is required to be pumped into the reactor. This results in lower power consumption. In terms of sludge production, due to the multi-level food chains that are present in complex ecosystems, the bacteria that process waste material are consumed by other organisms, which in turn are prey for higher predators within the food chain. This food chain effect results in lower excess sludge at the end of the treatment process. How energy efficient is our system? In an Organica wastewater treatment facility, almost all of the biomass is fixed on the natural and engineered root structures, resulting in a low suspended solids throughout each stage of the treatment process. The attached biomass in an FCR has a loose biofilm structure, allowing oxygen to penetrate into the deepest structured layers of the biofilm fixed on these root structures. This combination of cleaner water and loose structure results in highly efficient oxygen transfer rate and lower aeration requirements. Also, we use highly efficient fine bubble diffusers to provide the oxygen. The result is a 30% greater reduction in electricity consumption compared to other activated sludge-based solutions. One of the most distinctive features of an Organica FCR are the plants. A question that's often asked is how frequently do the plants need to be replaced and how much maintenance is involved. Organica selects plants with low maintenance requirements. These plants renew themselves and replacement is only needed occasionally. For smaller facilities, the plants can often be maintained by the same person that maintains the landscaping around the wastewater treatment facility. In larger plants, one example being the 80 MLD South Pesh facility, 1 man-day per week is allocated to plant maintenance. How many people are required to operate a wastewater treatment facility that uses Organica's FCR? The operational staff required for an Organica FCR is equal to or less than a conventional activated sludge plant. Our preferred configuration replaces the secondary clarifier with a fully automated disc filter. This eliminates the complexity of maintaining sludge blanket and operating a secondary clarifier and results in a simpler operation than a conventional activated sludge plant. Also, we supply an instrument and control package for every Organica FCR with an easy-to-use graphical interface for the operator. This helps ensure that the wastewater treatment facility will run properly, and it also gives Organica the opportunity to access data remotely and provide process optimization services to the operators once the wastewater treatment facility is operational. I should note that in many jurisdictions, the minimum staff required is determined by local regulations, taking into account health and safety factors. Another question is relating to storm conditions and hydraulic surges through a wastewater treatment facility. A major benefit of utilizing a fixed biofilm is that it will not be washed out of the plant during hydraulic peak load conditions. Therefore, treatment can be maintained or quickly restored even after severe storms. What happens if diffuser maintenance is required? Organica's biomodules are designed so removal of the media is not required for diffuser maintenance. If access to the diffusers or other equipment in the aeration basin is required, after emptying the reactor, the operator uses a small crane to pull up the biofiber media like a curtain about 2 meters high to provide access to the bottom of the reactor